everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you 6 different hairstyles that I love to wear, especially when I don't feel like doing my hair. If you're like me, I'm very lazy. I don't like to do too much manipulation to my hair, especially because I'm tender-headed. I don't like to use like a lot of hair ties, stuff like that, and I don't like to pull on my hair. Everything to avoid pulling on my hair is basically my motto. In this video, I will be showing you a couple hairstyles that literally requires little to no pulling. You might have to use a hair tie, obviously, but these styles are not tight and will not manipulate your edges or do too much pulling that will cause breakage. And I am so big on that. I don't like hairstyles that cause breakage. So in this video, we're gonna be doing minimal effort hairstyles that will change your life probably. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For my first style, I'm going to be using the ouchless rubber bands. You can find these at Target, Walmart, or any of your local beauty supply store. The reason why I like this rubber band is because they don't hurt and they also don't pull your hair out. And I also like to use the method of not looping my rubber band more than once. I only put the rubber band around one time. This causes my hair to not break, and it's also super easy to get the rubber band out without having to use scissors. I really like this style because it looks super effortless, it's not too tight, and it also brings my face out instead of having that hair all in my face. Sometimes I get tired of it and I just do this style instead. As I mentioned before, the rubber band comes out super easy, especially because I only looped it one time. Now I'm just going to take a portion of the front of my hair and section it in the shape of like a triangle, I would say, and I'm just separating that in the front. You can use pins if you want to. I didn't really need to use pins because I don't really care about my part being straight or anything like that, so I just leave that out in the front and I pull up half of the rest of my hair, so I'll have like a half up, half down with bangs type of hairstyle. And I really like this hairstyle because it's just so cute and it's so easy to do. Third hairstyle, I'm basically going to be keeping the same style, except I'm going to make my ponytail into a bun by just looping that over as you see here. And it's pretty much the same hairstyle but just a different look, and I really like this one as well because I don't really see a lot of people doing that. I usually see it without the bangs in the front, and I think it's really cute. This fourth hairstyle, I'm just going to take that bun out and I'm going to turn it into 2 pigtails. So basically it's going to be 2 pigtails with bangs in the front and hair left out in the back, just like the other 2 hairstyles, except it's 2 pigtails and not 1. And because my hair is in smaller sections this time, I am looping the rubber band twice, which isn't terrible. It still won't break my hair.
From those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Hairstyle, I'm going to be using my Satin Scrunchie instead of a rubber band because this time I'm putting up a lot of hair and a rubber band is just not going to do it. It's way too small, so I'm going to be putting that up in a ponytail, leaving the bangs out in the front and pulling out little pieces of hair by my ear just to give it like a messier look, and then I'm going to put that up in a ponytail in the back, but only looping the scrunchie once. it's actually my signature fro, and the reason why I'm showing you is because every time I do stretched hairstyles like the ones I previously showed, my hair fro always comes out the best, and it's always in the perfect shape due to all of the pulling and stretching. So this is another hairstyle that obviously is not going to break your hair because it requires no pulling whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.